Hi, my name is Victor Sachs and I'm the Technical Service Manager here at Selig, and today we'll be talking about the importance of fill height and temperature on the induction heat sealing process. So to start with, we'll be talking about filling methods. We have level filling machines which fill the container to a predetermined level, and these can be run using either vacuum, gravity or pressure methods. So for vacuum systems, these are typically used for liquids or free-flowing powders and for rigid containers in such industries as wine for the liquids and milk powder for the powders. These are typically for low and medium speed lines. Gravity filling lines, typically for liquids such as fruit juice, and also pressure filling lines, whereby we have thicker liquids that need to be pushed into the container. And quite often on these lines as well, the thicker liquids are warmed to reduce their viscosities yet further to ease filling. We have weighing fillers, whereby a container is placed upon a load cell and is filled with either a liquid, powder or a solid material, and to a set and known weight. And then we have volumetric filling lines, whereby an inductive or mechanical flow meter is used to meter in a known amount of material into the container. Okay, so how does the fill method affect the sealing process? Well, we know that for consistent seals, we need consistent time, pressure, and heat. And the time is the residence time of the container underneath the induction head, and this is measured in meters per minute. The pressure is the force applied onto the cap by the capping head in Newton meters or inch pounds, and the heat is the percent power applied by the induction unit onto the liner. However, we must be really mindful that the fill product level and temperature are also really important. So for example, if we had a cold liquid, if this is in the presence of the liner, it will cool it down. And the closer that fill level is to the liner, the more it will cool it down. And the colder that liner is, the more it will cool it down. So we can set the induction sealing conditions to compensate for this. However, if the distance between the two varies and also the temperature of the fill product varies, then this will impact on the quality of the induction seal. And this is also true if we have hot products as well. Likewise. We must be mindful also that for such things as milk in the dairy industry, these tend to foam, and so we can get contact of the foam on the underside of the liner. And this, yet again, can cool the liner down, again affecting the quality of the seal. Okay, so therefore, for best practice, what we need to do is we need consistent fill height and we need consistent fill temperature. Because as the fill temperature varies and the fill height varies, so will the temperature of the liner. And if the liner temperature varies at the beginning of the induction heat seal process, then you will get inconsistent sealing. Thank you for listening. My next video will be on how to set an induction heat sealing window.